So today was a great day. We got to make new connections with new people I never met before. All great people, all smiles all day. We got to weld up some cool structures, move them, and make them for other people to enjoy at the park.
So this is our second annual community service event at Griffith Sculpture Park, which is over 400 acres of land, sculptures, ponds, and just beautiful scenery out here in Western New York towards like the Ellicottville area.
Well, I've been going to meetings for about a year now, and I've met so many cool people, been to so many different places.
The people that you meet and interact with, it just continues to build your network. And the more you build the network, the more opportunities exist.
Our section, we typically get about 35, 40 people to our monthly meetings. The big thing there again is someone will go and mention, hey, so-and-so just landed a big order, they're hiring, the pay is good, the benefits are good.
AWS has been a key part in making these connections for future jobs and any references.
I would highly recommend joining your local AWS chapter as a member and going to all the meetings that you can. You get so many guest speakers that bring on new technologies. We recently had a lot of developments in robot technologies and had demonstrations and tours of the plants that make them.
So today was a great opportunity, multi-level. I was able to come here and share the day with a child of mine, which was exciting. She was able to experience for the first time what I do for a living and to see what my colleagues are doing. So it was a family-oriented day.